saw that you're doing, right?
My apologies.
Yo, so like recently we've been going crazy, you know what I'm saying? Like I said last week, 100 views is better than no views, and we're still at 100 views, but we have more than 107 views like last video. So basically in this video, it didn't really go as planned. I was gonna be making noise in the classroom when we were really supposed to be quiet, but it didn't work at all. Like the food that I brought, it just wasn't loud enough to make a disruption, but it was still a funny reaction, a funny video. So what you're about to see right now, before I say that, make sure y'all follow my Twitch and my live YouTube channel where I'm going to be posting clips from my Twitch. And so the clips you're about to see right now is the clips I did when I first got my microphone. I wasn't going to post it, but I'm going to post it.
Tell you how we feel about you, cause she gon' be 9 at the time that you 4. No matter what came with my babies, I play like a sport daddy. He always came back for more.
We're going over to Barnes. Yo, this is actually so awkward and weird. Is that Poppy? I think that is Poppy. Ain't gonna. Yo, wait, let me not talk so close in the mic. Kinda defeats the purpose. Bro, oh wait. Looks like it's about to storm. Look. Yeah, point the camera up there, you know. Type stuff. At least I hit it. Why can't I hit it? Where's the basketball? Come! You're not. Alright, I gotta take this out. So, like, unplug it. So, you know what I'm saying? We can get a hooping session. Alright, cut it off. Shut it off.
About you, she gon' be 9 at the time that you 4. No matter what came with my babies, I play like a sport daddy. He always came back for more. Yeah, nigga. Hold up. This part for my nephew and my nieces. And y'all know that y'all daddy, he loves you, even though daddy no longer breathe. On the G, rather crash than to be without y'all. It sound like a good enough reason, but ain't no more fucking excuse. Hey, yo, big bro, I miss you, I got you, don't worry, they geek. Let me talk to him, to my nieces. Yo, Uncle Tough, cause I'm trying to teach you to hustle. And be great, never need no nigga. Even if it's me, look at me and say, fuck you. To my nephew, big dude, you act like a daddy, little nigga.
Boring.
Alright, Brian. See, if you want to make a shot like Steph Curry, this is what you have to do. Alright. Rub your shoes. But for now, I have Crocs on, so you just make me like Mike. All right. Make me like Mike. Make me like Mike, okay? Then you have to dribble 3 times. If you don't dribble 3 times, it's not going to work. Okay. Things of that nature. Okay. Then you want to sometimes get another bounce, okay? Then you go to this hand. You see this hand right here? Then you slide back. Then you just shoot.
Green Giants.
Cut it off! That was. Alright, so Brian, in order to be like Steph Curry, make all the shots, what you want to do is bend down, wipe your shoes, and say, like, make me like Mike, make me like Mike. Alright. Okay? Then you want to dribble 3 times. Then you want to pass it on to the next hand, like this. Shoot. Say, ah. Then you want to slide, and then make it like that. But it's going to go in.
Leg in the air when I hit it. The police behind me, you know that I'm smacking.
Look, I bet you anything my microphone could probably pick what you're playing up.
Huh?
My microphone could probably pick what you're playing up. Never mind. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Is it making a loud crunch noise? Bro. I mean, you keep on turning back here. I'm trying to read. Oh, my page flipped. Bro.
For like 10 minutes, right? Get up, boy. Siraj, just let him do it, okay? DJ, quietly.
Sorry. Excuse me.
Please stop it.
Oh, my apologies. See, it's
Because you're making a lot of noise and you've got your drink and you got your food and you got your lunch, right?
Mm.
Just come in every day. Don't worry about the food and the drink, right?
it's just because I don't really eat breakfast at home nor school, so that's why
Okay.
I kind of eat.
So what you, that's fine, okay? But you gotta keep it quiet.
Yeah.
You gotta just let other people do their thing, okay?
Okay, I'll try to be more silent. My apologies. Please don't be distracted. I apologize. Okay, shh. No. Well, I have a question about my book. What is Pound Town?
I don't know.
Is it an actual place? Because somebody made a song about it, but
I don't know. You'll have to read and find out.
It's hot in here.
Yeah, imagine that. I don't know what, guys. Like, but this right here, this isn't you guys sitting together. This doesn't seem to produce concentration, right? I don't know what it is about. I don't know why you feel the need to audibly pass gas.
but I don't think that like
Okay, I don't know who did it. I don't know. Right. Like, I guess I'd expect by the time you're in 9th grade, the idea of doing that in front of anyone of the opposite sex would have hopefully be something that you learn not to do. Right? But like, I don't know. Maybe this is something you need to learn. Don't do that in front of other people. Okay?
come on,
Right.
that's very inappropriate.
Okay? Seriously. Okay?
It's late.
Right? But also, you guys can't sit together if this is going to be the result,
I apologize
right?
for laughing.
You can't sit together if this is.
Yeah.
We're going to be the whole time. It's going to be we're talking, we're laughing, we're dropping food, we're making noises, we're. You know,
Oh, the dropping food was an
we're
accident.
I know, but it seems to happen a lot.
I dropped
Okay.
food
Okay,
sometime
so
before.
Just shut up.
Oh, okay.
you've got-
My
but
apologies.
You've always got food. You've
Oh,
always-
yeah.
You're opening your soda. You're doing right.
My apologies.
Okay. Again, why do we do this? We do this so we can get smarter. That's why you're here, right? And I want to help you, but you, come on, you gotta work, okay?
The only class I'm passing is
Say hi to the camera, man.